It's been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor, so my new jeans. Well, my father was a drinking man way down in New Orleans. Tell your children